This is a more in-depth video for the cabin air filter on the 2011 Subaru Outback. What I realize is some Outbacks may have a screw to hold the glove compartment, and some might just have the two hooks on the side here. So my car has just the two hooks on the side. So if I squeeze the side, and then the glove compartment, it just comes out because it's just sitting there like that. See, sitting there like that. Right there. And then this hook here is holding it over here. So if yours has the screw, so unscrew it, then when you reach here, squeeze this side, squeeze this other side, you'll be able to access. See, this is dirty. And then the new one I just bought, it's see, dirty, brand new. And then you slide it, as you can see, like this. Once you do this, put this back. And then you take your glove compartment, make sure it's sitting nice and easy. Squeeze the two sides, and then there you go. It's finished. It's like 2 minutes, 1 minute maybe.